And now, ASAP Science presents 100 Digits of Pi.
3.14159, this is pi, followed by 2653589, circumference over diameter 79, then 323, OMG, can't you see? 8462643, and now we're on a spree. 38 and 32, now we're blue, oh who knew? 7,950 and then a 2. 88 and 41, so much fun, now we're on 9716939 and 3751. Halfway done. 458, now don't be late. 209, where's the wine? 74, it's on the 4, then 94459. 230, we gotta go. 78, we can't wait. 1640628, we're almost near the end, keep going. 62, we're getting through. 089, 9 on time. 862, 8034, there's only a few more. 82, then 53. 42, 11, 70, and 67. We're done. Was that fun? Learning random digits so that you can brag to your friends.